Peter McKinnon variable and the signature edition 2. This is second edition, 2 to 5 stops, 82 mm. Peter McKinnon signature over here. Inside this we get Polar Pro pamphlet, Flare app registration card, a really good premium cloth. Front we get signature edition Polar Pro and the signature of him. Variable ND filter signature edition 2. This is the back side of variable ND filter. The front. This is the front look. We get all the brass built and quartz glass. Here we can see 82 mm variable ND filter signature edition 2 branding, and we get 4 stops.